Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these simple and delicious gluten-free oatmeal banana cakes. For this recipe, I used honey, baking soda, butter, salt, vanilla powder, an egg, oatmeal, and bananas. You can get oatmeal flour at a health store or you can make it yourself like I'm doing here. I am processing old-fashioned oats in my food processor. And this is how it came out. It's a bit coarse, but that is fine for this recipe. To the oat flour, add baking soda and salt. Mix it and set it aside. Then mash the bananas. Add melted butter, honey, an egg, and vanilla bean to the bananas. Mix it and add the oatmeal flour. Line a cupcake tray with cupcake liners, pour the batter into the cups and bake the cakes in a preheated oven. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.